Is it possible to place cavities on a curved face? Is it possible to design a cylindrical manifold, for example?
Okay, that's a cool one. And so the answer is technically no, it's not possible to place cavities on a curved face because we need a face. We need a planar face because on a curved face we don't have origin, but there is a tricky way to make a cylinder parts. So let me quickly make an example. I recommend in those cases to start from a polygon, like maybe let's say 6 faces, but it could be more. And let me also put a dimension. Let's say that's a 60 millimeter. We make an extrusion like you will do with SolidWorks or Inventor, 100 millimeters. We switch to wireframe view because we want to see the internal, and here we can place all the cavities, like let's say a plug G1/4, which is positioned here, and maybe we need a cavity VC10 S2 on another face, and so on. At the end, when you are finished with your block, in this case, let me exceed a bit of the spot face, 4 millimeters. When you are done, you go to the SolidWorks or Inventor browser and make a new sketch, and you make 2 geometries, the cylinder outline and an external diameter, and you can just make an extrusion, remove through all. Okay, and that's our cylinder manifold. If you need to change something on the cylinder manifold, you move the end of the part up and you are back to your polygon where you can work, change face. You can use any command, export. Let me take a 1/4 on top here. And let me stretch this drill down. And let me replace this cavity with a smaller one. Let's take a Hydra Force VC8-2. We have a command called assign net that is able to find the connections in our block. So in this case, it is able to find a net here. Let's reduce this drill a bit. And when you are done, you just drag the end of the part. And here it is, our cylinder manifold. So technically, we cannot place a cavity on a round curve face, but we can work around on it.